Man, what a week. Welcome back to PantherWave, life rolling in the Crown Vic. Today is the end of my week of going to work and doing delivering food, and going to work, delivering food, taking kids places, picking up my partner, taking her places, still delivering food. And I put about 300, almost 292 miles this week. And this is the reset from when I emptied out my oil catch can. So this video is the oil catch can review after 292 miles in 1 week. Like I say, this car has been used for Grubhub, Uber Eats, DoorDash, all of that. So just show you about averaging about 15.4 miles per gallon. I spent about $60 this week to make about $320. And this is after working a full-time job, just a couple of hours a day, just doing it. Not running the car too hard, just taking my time and, just taking it easy. At one point in time, I was able to get, almost it was about 18 miles per gallon. And that's literally just driving Miss Daisy. So now I'm about to go to the engine compartment and do the reveal of how much oil is in the oil catch can. All right, here we go. After 292 miles, let's see how much oil do we have. Like I say, I installed it in a good position to where I can just literally just reach in and grab it, just pop the hood, reach in and go, twist it. Let's see, here we go, almost there. All right, not very much. Alright, so let me get a measuring cup just to see how much that is. Alright, so I do not have a measuring cup, but I am going to use this cap. At least I can say it's about a cap full. Smells like oil, no contaminants or anything, but that's about a half a cap. You can almost see it there. Not even. Got a little light there. And that's after 292 miles in 1 week. And it's pretty clean. not bad after 292 miles. It's definitely dark oil, and I just recently changed the oil. It's been about 2 weeks, so I mean, like they say, this is considered the blow by. I guess not too bad. Like I say, I just did an oil change on it, so it shouldn't be this dark already. Shouldn't be this dark. So just go ahead and reinstall it. Like I said, this is the perfect location. Easy to unscrew off and on. You can get in here and check it just to make sure it's tight. Like I say, over time it will kind of vibrate a little bit. In the future, I may put some little rubber grommets in between these bolts here to soften up the vibration. I mean, it's pretty solid. It's not coming out of here for sure, but just to soften up the vibration there. Well, that's it. Appreciate you tuning in for a PantherWave life road in the Crown Vic. So we just did a check there after 292 miles to see how much oil that this Bull Boost performance catch can cost.